how to use flight credit on Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can use flight credit on your Southwest Airlines account, and it's so simple. The first step is to visit the official Southwest Airlines website and then log in into your account just like I have done here. If you know that you've logged in, by the right side here, you'll see your name, the number of points you have, and other tabs. Alright. Then once you can see that, next step will be to navigate to the flight booking section. Okay, in this section you can see other options like flights, vacations, hotel, car, check-in, etc. Then under this, enter in the kind of select the kind of trip you want. Then if you want to add baggage and additional fees, you can just click on this option here, and then you can see departure, arrival. Select your departure, then select your arrival as well. So after selecting your arrival, you will be asked to select your departure date as well as your arrival date. Okay, so after selecting that, move to the passengers section, select passengers. If you have a promo code, enter it in, move to the right side and click on search. When you click on search, the flights that falls under those days and for the options you've selected would be displayed to you. Okay, so if you encounter something like this, the next thing would be for you to make adjustments by adjusting the kind of selection you've made. Okay, then after making adjustments, click on search again. And then the flights available would be displayed. So now we can now see the different flights available. So you go ahead and select the one that you want. So after selecting the one you want, you'll be taken to another page where you would see the different categories that the flight falls under, and each category has a particular amount to pay. All right, so I just go ahead and select the one that you can afford and the one that suits you better. So once you're done, you can see the advantages, then you click on next flight. Now, for you to be able to use your flight credits, you can only use your flight credits at the end. So when you're checking out, that is when you're about to pay for your flight, that is when you can make use of your flight credits. Okay, so that is why I'm going through all of this process. So select your returning flight as well. Click on continue. All right, and after clicking on continue, you'll be taken to the next page. So after clicking on continue, you can see your flight. So if you want to modify the flights, click on modify. If not, you can leave it the way it is. Then scroll down, ensure you read through this helpful information because some details would be displayed that you have to follow through. If not, you would not be able to go with your flights. All right, and then you can also book a rental, a car. You can rent a car that you can use for throughout your stay at the place you're going to. Then you can decide to add to your bag and all of that. And once you're satisfied, move to the right side of the screen where you can see the continue button and then click on it. So after clicking on the continue button, you'll be taken to the next stage, which is the payment stage. So on this stage, you'll be asked to enter in your passengers details. All right, so ensure you enter in your passengers details and all. If you need special assistance, ensure you select it. Then select your method of contact, select your kind of payment. So under this kind of payment, you can see two options, right? You can see payment cash plus points and other form of payment. And under it, you can see the option flight credits. Okay, so that is where we're heading to. Just go ahead and click on this arrow, the drop down arrow, and then by the time you scroll down, you can see cash plus point. That is, if you want to use cash plus points instead of using just cash. And then if you have flight credit, just click on flight credit. Then you'll be asked to enter in your confirmation number, your passenger's first name, your passenger's last name. Click on apply funds, and then just like that, your flight credit would be used to book for this flight. So this is it. This is how you can use flight credit on your Southwest Airlines. Very simple. All right, so that is it. And then once you're done entering it in, scroll down to the last part, move to the right side of the screen, click on purchase, and then the confirmation email will be sent to your account, to your email account. So ensure you check your Gmail regularly to get the receipt and the confirmation number. Thanks for watching and have a good trip.